the Anthropocene is the time in the geological record when humans have moved the planet outside its natural limits.
If you compressed the whole of Earth's unimaginably long history into a single day, the first humans that look like us would appear at less than 4 seconds to midnight. The human planet, how we created the Anthropocene.
We have not a way to get back. We live now in a different world.
It is such a fundamental change in the way the Earth is behaving that we need to communicate that as powerfully as possible to everybody.
In any significant competition between the interests of humans and animals, humans have the moral right to win. This is so because it is so. Dale Peterson, The Moral Lives of Animals.
Man's origin is from dust, and his destiny is back to dust. At risk of his life, he earns his bread. He is likened to a broken shard, withering grass, a fading flower, a passing shade, a dissipating cloud, a blowing wind, flying dust, and a fleeting dream. A prayer from Yom Kippur.
Manhattan was built on ideological perceptions of a nation in perpetual progress, where man felt it was their obligation to shape the land and use its resources. The city exists upon layers and layers of erased, revised, and unrealized structures. The biological instinct to compete and occupy space has shaped the city and the way we build it. Humans have an innate need to build, to claim, to own. Disregarding who or what would be destroyed. From ziggurats to skyscrapers, the degree depends upon the era. What right do we have to claim this land? Aren't we just shepherds of our planet?
From the arrival of the first European colonists, New Yorkers have struggled to deal with massive amounts of garbage in a small space. Initially, trash was thrown into the rivers. As the city's population grew, so did the amount of trash, and with trash comes disease. Yellow fever, smallpox, typhoid, and cholera, to name a few. New York City is a manifestation of material consumption and human interference in the environment. Memory, fallacy, and identity are embedded in the plastic reality of the city, built on the exploitation of nature.
Homo sapiens hold the record among all organisms for driving the most plant and animal species to their extinctions. We have the dubious distinction of being the deadliest species in the annals of life. Yuval Noah Harari, From Animals into Gods, A Brief History of Humankind.
In the endeavor to create a habitat more suited to our needs, we extract materials from the earth for our convenience. In our quest for the sanitary, we banish all non-human biota to the periphery of what we deem civilization.
Romans directed water to their cities for the same reasons we do today. Rome had several springs within its perimeter walls, but its groundwater was not potable. The Tiber was affected by pollution and waterborne diseases. Romans built an extensive network of aqueducts across their territories. Humans are part of this urban ecosystem, where we exist beneath and around these material constructions, across imaginary lines of division, and within the non-spaces of the city.
Flowers gone long time ago. Where have all the flowers gone? Young girls pick them, everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Where have all
Breaking monochromatic light into a multitude of colors offers a suggestive entryway into non-anthropocentric ecologies. Jeffrey Jerome Cohen, Ecology's Rainbow.
Where have all the young girls gone? Gone to young men, everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Where have all the young men gone? Long time passing. Where have all the young men gone? Long time ago.